Hey guys, it was so wonderful to be able to hear your voices yesterday and to see your beautiful faces. I cannot wait until I can get a hug from each and every one of you. I have faith that that day will happen sometime soon. So today is our first math lesson. It is Monday. This week, we're going to go ahead and we are going to be learning different ways to keep track of data. Remember, data is a piece of information. So data is pieces of information. Today, we will be learning about tally marks. This is a simple way of totaling up how many we have of something. For example, today we have a bowl of your favorite thing. It is Skittles. So what we're going to go ahead and do is Ms. Calhoun made a tally chart over here. So we're going to read and add tally marks. So let's go over here to this first box up here before we start adding up the Skittles in our bowl. So when we're adding up tallies, to equal 5, what you would do is you would go 1, so you have 1 tally, then you would have 2 tallies, then you would have 3 tallies, and then 4 tallies. Now, let's say you had 5 things. So what you would turn around and do is you would take and you would put a line across like this. So that would make 5 tally marks. You would have 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, then a line across would equal 5 tallies. So now let's go ahead and let's tally up our Skittles. So what we have is red, yellow, orange, and green Skittles in this bowl here. So let's go ahead and let's pull out the first Skittle. We've got a green one. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to put down 1 tally for green. And we're going to pull up the next one. We got a yellow. We're going to go ahead and put down 1 tally for yellow. Then we're going to go ahead and our next one is red. Let's go ahead and put down 1 tally for red. And then our next one is, it's a green. Let's go ahead and put down another green. And our next one, I'm just randomly picking, is a orange. Let's go ahead and put down 1 for orange. So we're going to start doing these a little bit quicker, okay? So I'm going to start pulling them and I'm going to be writing down the tallies down really quick. So we have another yellow. Let's go ahead and put a tally by our yellow. Randomly picking, we have a green. We're going to put down a green. Then we're going to pick a yellow. Put down a yellow. Orange. Let's do another orange. Another orange. Let's move a little quicker. We got a yellow. And we've got another yellow. Whoops, what happened? Well, we gotta remember, when we do our tallies and we have 5, what are we supposed to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're supposed to put our right across the 4 tallies to make 5. So let's hope we get another yellow one in that bowl. Guess what? We've got another yellow. So we won't have to put down that extra tally because we have it right here. So the next color, we got an orange. Go. Got a green. Come across and we got 4 greens. We got another green. So what do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got another yellow. We've got a red. Not many red in this bowl, do we? That's because Ms. Calhoun probably ate them before we started my example. And then we have another orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go for number 5. And we've got another green. And another green. We've got another orange. Another green. Another green. Another green. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was our 5th green we picked up. We've got a red. Almost done. And our last color is go figure, a green. Okay, we've got another green. All right, so our tallies, now what we're gonna do on the test, we're gonna total up all our tallies. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 red. We've got how many yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Orange, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Green, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 2 would be 12. So this would be an example of a tally chart. So let's go ahead and let's go over and do our worksheet before Ms. Kathleen eats the rest of these Skittles that are in this bowl. So you guys will be doing page 48. And again, you have the reteach 4-5 up on top. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna do all of this. I'm going to probably skip around for some of them, and then what I'll do is if you have any questions, when we do our live again this afternoon, then I will answer any questions that you may have for the tally charts. But I think you guys have got this. So, on number 1, it says, what is the most popular subject in the survey? Okay, well let's look to see what our subjects are. We have reading, math, science, and we have gym. So we look at the tally marks, and the most popular subject would be math, because math has how many tallies? Math has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus 1, 11. So math has 11 tallies. That is the most popular subject. Let's go ahead and skip down to number 4. Okay, so number 4 shows you tallies and is asking you how many tallies do they have there. Well, let's go ahead and count the tallies. We have 5, 10, and then we have 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 tallies. Let's go ahead and let's skip down. For number 5, I want you guys to go ahead and I want you to make your own tally chart to show the results. I'm going to go ahead and do it up on the board as well, and then you can go ahead and do it on your paper. So let's go ahead and do this tally chart quickly. This is number 5. So it's asking you to make your own tally chart with the favorite animals, the chart that's on to the right side of your paper. So on your right side of the paper, we have all the favorite animals. And then to the left, you're gonna go ahead and you're going to make your own tally chart, kind of like how Miss Calhoun did right here. So we have lions, ducks, tigers, and bears. We have our tally marks up here, and we have how many tallies once we add up each of the results for the animals. We'll go ahead and we will add it all up over here once we add up our tallies. Okay, so we have how many lions? Well, let's look at the chart. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 5 lions. Let's go ahead and do our tallies. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go down to our ducks. We have how many ducks? We've got 1, 2 ducks. We're going to do 2 tallies. Tigers, we have 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, you bring this across and you have 5. And then our bears, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 bears. So let's go ahead and let's add up all our tally marks. So we have over here, we have 5. We have 2 ducks. We have 5 tigers. And we have 4 bears. Okay. We have a total of, for number 6, people that voted was a total of 16 people. Because if you add 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 2 is 16. So your answer for number 6 is how many people voted? We have 16 people that voted. Each of these people voted for, each of these 4 people voted for the bear. Each of these 5 people voted for the tiger. Each of these 2 people voted for the duck. And each of these 5 people voted for the lion. So, hopefully you guys understand the tally chart, if you don't understand it, again, I will see you on live chat later on this afternoon, and I can answer any questions that you have. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you again this afternoon. Mwah!